So what's up everyone, welcome back to another video. Now today I'll be showing you how I make my version of a good curried chicken. This was so delicious, but before we jump into the video, don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. Let's get started. So here I have my chicken already seasoned. I'll show you how I do this in a bit. I have some Irish potato soaking and I have some curry powder. I'll be using the Better Pack brand. I have some bell peppers, red, yellow, green. I have some carrots, and over here I have some scotch bonnet pepper and fresh thyme, and I have some scallion and some pimento berries. So I washed my chicken with vinegar and I washed this twice so it's nice and clean. And here are the seasoning I'll be using. Over here I have some black pepper, some chicken seasoning, some complete seasoning, some all-purpose seasoning, and I have seasoned salt. And here is my green seasoning. I will leave a link on how to make this down in the description box. And I have some turmeric powder, or I will link the green seasoning in the cards above so you could see how I make this. I'm just going to go ahead and combine my seasoning, add it to my meat, and I'm going to go ahead and add my turmeric powder. Now the turmeric powder is one of the main ingredients in curry powder. I like to burn most of my curry, so I went ahead and add some turmeric powder to my chicken. But of course you could use some of your curry powder for pre-seasoning. Massage this and allow this to sit for 3 hours or more, or if you have a lot of time, you could do this overnight. And now it's time to go ahead and cook my chicken. So in my pot, I'm going to go in with some coconut oil. You could use any oil of choice. I just like the flavor that coconut oil gives to my curry. And I'm going to go ahead and burn my curry. Now when we say burn curry, we don't literally mean you're supposed to burn the curry, because if you burn it too black, it will taste nasty. We're going to go ahead and toast up the curry and allow it to get nice and toasty. Do not skip this step, because you will get belly ache if you skip this step. You want to make sure that your curry is properly cooked. So by sauteing it for a little bit, and then you go in with your chicken. So I'm just going to go ahead and stir this and get it nice and coated, and then I'm going to cover it and allow it to spring its own water, and I'm going to allow it to cook in its own juices for about 5 to 10 minutes before adding the rest of my ingredients. Now after 10 minutes, my curry chicken has spring its own water, and I'm going to saute this for a bit. Then I'm going to go in with my Irish potatoes. Now I like my Irish potatoes to cook and thicken my gravy as it cooks. So I'm going to go in with my Irish potatoes first. Then I'm going to give this a mix, and I'm going to allow this to simmer for under 10 minutes before I add some water and the rest of my seasoning. Now I'm just going to go ahead, give it a good mix, and then I'm going to go in with my seasoning and my pimento seeds. Add some water and allow this to simmer for about 15 to 20 minutes until the chicken is cooked and my gravy is nice and thick. And let me tell you guys, this is so flavorful. You could add as much veggies as you like to this, but I like to just keep it simple with just this. Now I'm just going to go ahead and add some boiling water to this and cover this and allow it to cook. After about 20 minutes, this is what my gravy is looking like. My chicken is nice and cooked. I liked my gravy to be on the thicker side, and if you also want yours, you could just use the back of your spoon or a fork and mash out some of the potatoes. That helps to thicken the gravy. I like mine on the thicker side, so I went in and do that, and that's just about it. Super quick, simple and easy. Now guys, if you have reached this far in the video and you haven't yet subscribed, go ahead, hit that subscription button, like the video, share the video, and leave a comment down in the comment section and tell me what you think about this recipe. And if you try this recipe, you could tag me on Instagram at Toya's Kitchen to let me see your creation. Now that my chicken is nice and done, I went ahead and garnished with some parsley. This is totally optional. You could use some fresh thyme, whatever you like to garnish your plate, just to make it look pretty. But at this point, it's done. It needed nothing more. On this particular day, I'm going to show you how I serve mine up in just a bit. So on this particular big day, I went ahead, I served mine up with some rice and peas and some garlic butter green bean. And let me tell you guys, this was so tasty. It really tasted amazing. Perfect Sunday dinner, because this was actually my Sunday dinner, guys. Guys, I thank you so much for watching. Until then, I'll see you in my next one. Have a good day and bye for now.